Hello, here I am going to introduce you Unipulse Moonlifter. Moonlifter is an electric balancer which is designed for smart handling and precise positioning. It's reduced the operator's fatigue and operator can handle the heavy weight with the zero gravity. Its compact design and standard power supply make it very easy for use for the operator. Let's see how it works. I clamp the box, press a single button, and the weight is zero for me. You can see how I can move this box freely. This is a zero gravity for me now. Now I place this box down. When I place this box down, Moonlifter released its load and it's free. One additional feature, with the load sensor, Moonlifter can handle different weight in a same operation. Like, here I have a 5 kg weight and I put it in this box, and without changing any operation, I lift it again. See, even the weight has been changed, but for me the weight is same. Moonlifter is not only for pick and place operations. Moonlifter also can use for the precise positioning. Like, we have this heavy weight and we want to fix it here. With the help of Moonlifter, I can fix it very easily. And now press a button and remove the fixture very easily. Also, Unipulse can design this kind of fixture. Same way, we have this mold. Like, fixing the mold is very difficult task. This is heavy, and so when we fix it here, you can see with the help of Moonlifter how smoothly we can fix it. The same way, with the compact size of Moonlifter, we can use Moonlifter with jib crane, jib lift, and this kind of aluminum frames. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.